Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE N30 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store. Now you need to type Magic Fluids and download this free version of Magic Fluids app from this developer. Okay. Now open it and click on the three lines at the bottom right corner. Select Settings, tap I accept and adjust the wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and the bottom one again, but this time click on Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on your home screen or home screen and lock screen by picking one of the options. So now when I go back, I can start my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!